Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Trek Travel and Food Stop. Today we are starting with the very special series that is world's biggest statue, which is Statue of Unity in India. Statue of Unity is the statue of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who played a major role in keeping India united after independence. So this is not just a statue. There is a whole lot of attractions there. So this is developed like a theme park. So this guide will help you on how to get around at Statue of Unity, how to plan your Statue of Unity visit, or even if you are not planning the Statue of Unity visit, then you can get to know how what are the attractions at the Statue of Unity, and you may go there in the future. So here in this guide, this is the full series, and in this guide, in the part one, we will see how to reach, what are the different stay and food options there, and what your pro tips are there, which I will keep giving you along the way. Statue of Unity is located at Kevadia in Ekta Nagar in Gujarat. I will suggest you to at least plan a trip of 2 days to Statue of Unity. Let's begin with the full guide. First, how to reach. You can reach Ekta Nagar by train, and from station you can take auto or taxi to reach to your hotel. If you live nearby Ekta Nagar, you can also opt for JSRTC bus. Vadodara is just 90 kilometers from Ekta Nagar, so you can also fly in here or reach here by train and then come to Ekta Nagar. Ekta Nagar station is just 5 minutes drive from Statue of Unity complex. At the station, there are free buses run from station to Statue of Unity complex. So if you are on one day trip, you can directly opt for this bus and also keep your bags in cloakroom there. Stay options at Ekta Nagar. Ekta Nagar has many budget homestays, and then there are hotels and resorts like Ramada, The Fun, and Rise by Sayaji. So do check the difference on weekdays to weekends. It's generally double. Hotel BRJ budget stay is one of the budget hotel. Narmada Tent City is the only hotel inside the SOU complex. It is a luxury and expensive hotel, almost costing 10,000 a night. Wherever you are staying, take a auto and taxi and reach to Shrestha Bharat Bhavan. Shrestha Bharat Bhavan is the starting entry point for Statue of Unity. Here you will find information desk for river rafting, etc. Now few pro tips. Statue of Unity and all the attractions are closed on Mondays, and there are slots to see the statue, so you have to pre-book the slot. I will suggest you to do the pre-booking online itself, because slots tend to get full and you may end up not getting the ticket. This is the ticket counter, but queues are really long, so keep that in mind to book your ticket in advance. Few other tips are: only card payments are allowed at SOU and attractions, no cash or UPI. Next, while booking SOU ticket, there is an option below which says projection mapping show. Don't forget to tick on that box, because all the attractions close here by 5 pm. This show is included in ticket price, but if you do not check the box, you cannot remain on the premises post 6 pm. Statue of Unity is a completely eco zone. So if you are coming by your own vehicle, then you will have to park it at the Shrestha Bharat Bhavan. Inside there are no private vehicles allowed. So inside there is just government's free e-bus and paid e-rickshaws. So that is a really nice initiative, and it's a completely eco zone. SOU has free AC bus service to reach to statue and to all the other attractions, provided you have SOU ticket. So it's like hop in hop off bus, or you can opt for e-rickshaws which are paid and their charges are fixed. There are three types of SOU tickets. Irrespective of the ticket you buy, following attractions are included in every ticket. They are free of cost in every ticket. Projection mapping or laser show can be viewed from two places: SOU campus and helipad. So don't forget to tick on the SOU campus option, because from the helipad you can still see the show but you cannot hear the show. So this is very important. And the statue and all the attractions at SOU, they operate between 8 am to 5 pm only, except laser show and Narmada Aarti. Now coming to food options at SOU. There is Ekta food court where every type of food is available. There is thali available, South Indian, then there is Subway. Of course, there is Amul booth again. There is tea, coffee. So every type of option you can get here, and it is a nice place. Then just besides the main bus stop, there is Amul Foodland, which offers everything So this is also very good
I am here
place.
at Amul Foodland. So here you have all options. There is pav bhaji, chole bhature, thali, dosa, idli. So anything you want. Pizza is there. Everything is there.
There is also free drinking water booth in front of Amul Foodland. Then there is another food court at SOU main campus which again have all types of options. At different attractions there are Amul booths which also offer only beverages. Only at the Cactus Garden they also have sandwiches. No food is allowed inside where there is statue and museum. Now we will be taking free bus. Today Thursday, so there is not much of the crowd as well. So we chose Thursday. Then behind you can see there is Amul food stop. So if you want to eat something, then you have this option. Now coming to attractions at SOU and how you can plan 2 days itinerary. From main entrance, take the SOU free bus for exploring all attractions or paid e-rickshaw. First, straight head to Sardar Sarovar Dam viewpoint, then reach to the maze garden where you can watch the show play into the maze. Just besides the maze garden is the Valley of Flowers. After exploring Valley of Flowers, you will need to take the bus again to reach to Ekta food court. Post lunch, reach to the statue where you can explore museum, viewing gallery and food take. By 6 p.m. reach to the stands for laser show as they tend to get full. Laser show timing is 7 to 7:30 p.m. Post laser show, end your evening at Unity Glow Garden. 2 days weekend itinerary for Statue of Unity. This is day 2. Start your day with jungle safari at Sardar Patel Zoological Park. This zoo is based on the concepts are very similar to the world famous zoos in USA, so something not to be missed. Then proceed to Children's Food and Nutrition Park where there are different shows and games for children on the food and nutrition which can also be enjoyed by adults. After that you can either go for Ekta Cruise or you can go for Cactus and Butterfly Garden. Post that if you have time you can go for Arogyavan or Ekta Nursery or Miyawaki Forest. End your evening on a spiritual note with Holy Narmada Aarti. Or after jungle safari, you can directly go for adventure activities at Khalwani and Sarwani ecotourism like river rafting, zip lining, etc. This is the itinerary I suggest for 3 days, and if you are going just for 1 day, then these are all the attractions you can cover. Let's begin with the itinerary for day 1. Straight head to the Sardar Sarovar Dam viewpoint or Valley of Flowers bus stop. The bus will drop you only until a certain point which they call as the dam viewpoint, and then you will have to take a rickshaw for to come to the real actual point. So e-rickshaw takes 50 rupees per auto in which 3 people can sit and 50 rupees back again. This is the Valley of Flowers bus stop, which is the last point for the bus. From here, you could walk for 1 to 2 kilometers to Sardar Sarovar Dam Viewpoint 3, or you can take a rickshaw. This is the only point where I needed to take a rickshaw throughout the trip. Rickshaw dropped me here, and then we have to walk a little few steps further ahead to see the dam. There is a little Amul booth which has buttermilk, lassi, and ice creams. This is Sardar Sarovar Dam and it's beautiful. Seeing the running water and mountains is amazing. During the monsoon, the scenes are even better because during the monsoon, these gates open up. There is also a high point from where you could take a look at the whole region and take a picture. If you have elderly with you, then you can opt to see the dam from SOU main campus instead of coming up. This point will be done in 30 minutes. Here all the rickshaws are driven by ladies, which is a woman empowerment, and on the right side there is Dino Trail you could do if you want to, heading to the next point which is Valley of Flowers. As you can see, I am here now at Valley of Flowers. So I did the
dam viewpoint, and then we came to Valley of Flowers. The Valley of Flowers and Glow Garden is same. So at night all this start to glow. That's why it is called as Glow Garden. Inaugurated by Narendra Modi ji. There are different kind of vegetations and plantation cuttings which are nice to see. Then you can also see regular garden flowers like roses, paper flowers, sunflowers. These things they glow at night. So I hope that this guide will be useful in planning your trip. Rest of the attractions we'll see in upcoming parts.
We will continue with our Statue of Unity series, the itinerary in real time. So if you have not subscribed, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you get the notification of the video when it is uploaded. And don't forget to watch the whole series and list of the videos of US and Mexico on my channel. And if you like the video, then do like and share the video. Guys, as this is the tribute to one of our leaders of the independence, and I will say that we all should visit at least once to Statue of Unity. So share this video to maximum people so that they can know about the Statue of Unity or the attractions there. It is a fun place to be with your family or your loved ones or friends, and you can easily spend 2 to 3 days here.